worked at a lot of the best restaurants in the country. Probably the most notable was Per Se in New York City. People who go there expect a lot, pay a lot, so we're expected to always be perfect. I was offered an executive sous chef position at a 3-star Michelin in San Francisco. When circumstances arose and I decided to come home to put my family first. Shave Ice was definitely a treat growing up. It was going after school or heading down to Uncle Aaron's shop, picking your colors. Get your shave ice, you'd sit with your family and meet your friends over there and just have a good time. We were just trying to get back to the roots of Shave Ice, kind of how it started in the plantation days. Just fresh fruit juices, no dyes, no syrups, making everything from real fruit. Kind of just taking the old and just trying to elevate it a little bit. On Kauai, we have some of the best produce, some of the best ingredients. Fresh, light, bright flavors, things that kind of you would equate with characteristics of Kauai. We try to put that into the Shave Ice. So we're trying to convey an emotion, a feeling when they're eating it. It's almost like Kauai in a bowl.
How's it, Brandon? How you?
A lot of my peers didn't understand why I moved home. Being home, it brings balance back. It kind of like opened my eyes to important things. It's like becoming complete again.